How to hide Facebook featured photos on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here to your Facebook application and go directly here to your menu on the bottom part here, and then go to, let's just go back here a little bit, scroll down up until you see settings and privacy. Now under settings and privacy, click on settings. After that, scroll down up until you see the stories option. So go here to audience and visibility section and click on stories. Now, as you can see, you can only add highlights once you put a story on your Facebook, right? Now, to be able to hide your Facebook featured photos on iPhone, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your stories options and then go here to story privacy. Now, the next thing that you're gonna do, if you wish to only let your friends on Facebook see your featured photos, then you can set it to friends. But if you wish to share your stories to, or your featured photos on Facebook to specific friends, you can choose custom audience here. And the other is to hide story from. So you will be hiding your featured photos to specific people. So it really depends on you. But if you wish to hide your Facebook featured photos on iPhone, then basically just go with friends, and basically that is it. So that would mean that only your friends on Facebook can see your featured photos on iPhone. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.